Hello student, the question is this question is the magnetism. The question says that, and also this question is the RT 1992. So this question is the good questions. The question says that a state segment OC length L of a circuit containing current I ampere is placed along the x-axis. Infinite long state wire AB each extend from z equals to minus infinite to plus infinite at location y equal to minus a and plus a. Meet just आपका meter respectively as shown in figure. Okay, if wires A and B means a state segment OC. This is the OC state segment, and current I is flowing is placed along the x-axis. Okay, two infinite state wires A and B each extend from minus infinite to plus infinite. This will be the plus infinite z, this will be the minus infinite. मतलब means z equal to minus infinite to plus infinite, z equal to minus infinite to plus infinite. Okay, if wire A and B carry current I into the plane of paper means current I is flowing into the plane of paper. Obtained expression for the force acting on the segment OC. Obtain expression for the force acting segment on OC means two wires at the position y equal to plus a and y equal to minus a. The length of these two wires is the infinite length. This will be from minus infinite to plus infinite. Means this is the given information, z equal to minus infinite to plus infinite. X-axis, y-axis, minus x-axis. So at y-axis, this will be the minus infinite to plus infinite. Okay, this will be the minus infinite plus infinite length wire. Also, this is the y equal to minus a. This is the infinite length wire, and this is the finite length. OC is the finite length. We have to need the force on OC. Means OC wire is kept on x-axis, so we have to need the force on OC wire due to A and B wire. Means in these questions the force on OC wire equals to, we know that the force on OC wire equals to, means the value of a force which will be I L vector cross B vector. Means we have to need the force F equals to I L vector cross B vector. Okay, also this information is given something. So this question is the 1992 question. This is the good questions. Imply that we can say also repeated figure will be constant here. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis and this is the y prime and this is the z. This is the z-axis. Okay, OC wire is given. This is the O point and this is the C point. So OC wire is this location is the given. This is the OC wire. Okay, two wires are given at these two locations. So this length y equal to plus a and this length y equal to minus a. This length y equal to plus a and this length y equal to minus a. Okay, because this is the y-axis, this is the minus y-axis. So this length y equal to a and this length y equal to minus a, and OC length equals to L. So this length equals to L. We have to need the magnetic force on OC wire. we have to need the magnetic force on OC wires. Means we know that हम लोग जानते हैं कि जस्ट आपका इस OC वायर में कहीं पे भी फोर्स निकालेंगे तो आई एल वेक्टर क्रॉस बी वेक्टर होगा. मीन्स पूरी लेंथ वेक्टर में चेक करेंगे तो यहाँ पे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या हो रही है, वेरी कर रही है. एंड इस लेंथ वेक्टर में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वेरी कर रही है क्योंकि दो वायर्स हैं, एक इस तरह से y इक्वल टू प्लस ए पे, एक y इक्वल टू माइनस ए पे. मीन्स मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑन ओसी वायर हम लोग लेफ्ट टू राइट बढ़ेंगे तो हमारी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वेरी करेगी. मीन्स यू कैन से यू विल बी अप्लाई. तो हम लोग इस टाइप की प्रॉब्लम को कभी भी इस टाइप से प्रॉब्लम करनी हो तो आप क्या करोगे, जस्ट डी एफ वेक्टर इक्वल्स टू आई इंटू फॉर ओसी वायर at x equals to x, at x equals to x, let us suppose this is the PQ wire, this is the, let us suppose PQ wire, PQ wire is the small wire. So in this point magnetic field due to B wire, let us suppose magnetic field due to B wire, the direction of current will be vertically downward. So direction of a magnetic field, direction of magnetic field will be the perpendicular, direction of a current will be vertically downward, direction of magnetic field will be at this point then perpendicular. हमें यदि इस पॉइंट पे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड चाहिए तो इस वायर की वजह से जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होगा ये इस लाइन को ज्वाइन करने के बाद में परपेंडिकुलर आएगा. इसका मतलब ये हमारे पास बी पॉइंट है, ये ए पॉइंट है, इसमें हम लोग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की हम लोग जो बात करेंगे तो वो हमारा क्या होगा, B2 होगा. ठीक है, अब ए की वजह से हम लोग निकालेंगे जस्ट ए वायर की वजह से, इसकी वजह से जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड हम लोग निकालेंगे वो हमारा क्या होगा, जस्ट B1 होगा. ठीक है, तो इस ए की वजह से यहाँ पे B1 होगा, इस बी की वजह से यहाँ पे क्या होगा, B2 होगा. ओके, सो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू ए वायर which will be equals to B1 because we have to need the magnetic field at this point. Okay, let us suppose get this point equal to R point. If we have to need magnetic field at R point, then the direction of thumb will be the current and direction of a magnetic field will be the this position perpendicular at that point. Okay, so direction of a current at A point is equals to at R point direction of magnetic field will be the perpendicular at that point. So direction of magnetic field will be the perpendicular at that point. Okay, direction of a current of B will be in this situations. So at this point direction of magnetic field will be B2 at this situations. Means we can say just AR and B1 is always perpendicular. This will be 90. Also you can say BR and B2 also this will be the perpendicular. This will be the also 90. जस्ट हम लोग इस PQ वायर में एक x डिस्टेंस पे dx लिया, एक x डिस्टेंस पे dx लिया, तो इस dx के लिए जो हम लोग ऑब्जर्वेशन कर रहे हैं वो हमारे पास मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या होगी, कांस्टेंट होगी. मीन्स हम लोग O to C में चेक करेंगे, यदि AB वायर की वजह से हर एक पॉइंट भी वेरी करेगा तो इस टाइप की प्रॉब्लम को हम लोग कैसा हो करेंगे, DF इक्वल टू, ये पूरा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वेरी कर रही है. यदि कोई भी एक नंबर वेरी करेगा इसके अकॉर्डिंग क्या होगा, जस्ट हम लोग ये अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे. सो एट x इक्वल्स टू x पे एक छोटा सा पार्ट हमने क्या लिया, dx का पार्ट लिया, दिस लेंथ इक्वल्स टू dx. इस छोटे से पार्ट dx के लिए जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होगा वो कांस्टेंट होगा. ठीक है, तो हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, L की बात करेंगे तो PQ में जो L वेक्टर होगा, L क्या होगा, जस्ट L आपका करंट के अलावा आपका होगा, ये हमारे पास क्या है, dx है. मींस जो PQ वेक्टर होगा इसके अकॉर्डिंग बात करेंगे, वी आर कंसंट्रेटिंग ऑन द PQ पोर्शन. मींस दिस विल बी द PQ वेक्टर क्रॉस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, magnetic field at R point means magnetic field at R point at x equal to R point. Okay, vector. So you can say this will be the variable. So also for this dx length, this PQ length, the magnetic field will be the sorry, the magnetic force will be the I small magnetic force which will be equals to df. Okay, so we are trying to find out the pq vector equals to, okay, we are trying to find out the pq vector equals to, pq is the a small distance which magnitude is the dx and direction will be the along the current. So direction of a current will be the along the x-axis plus x-axis. In that we can say this is the dx length and this is the I cap. Direction will be I cap and magnitude will be pq equals to dx. Okay. So magnetic field at B point at x equal to r. This is the important point because two wires is the given. First wire is the at A point, at B point. So due to at A wires the magnetic field will be the B1. Due to at B wire the magnetic field will be the B2. So we have to need the magnetic field at due to A1. Let us suppose due to A1. Okay. And also we are concentrating if this angle is the theta and this angle is also theta. Okay, because this is the A length, this is the x length. Okay, so this is the A length, x length, this is the x length. Let us suppose, so this angle is theta, also this is the angle theta. Okay, because this is the just आपका A length and x length, so angle also will be the same. Okay, so these two triangles are the are the XA means these two triangle are the similar triangle. Means sides will be same. This is the A length, X length, A length, X length. Okay. Means ये दोनों ट्रायंगल क्या है? X है, A है, ये नंबर है, तो ये इसके जस्ट आपका सेम ट्रायंगल की तरह है, जस्ट ये ऊपर है और आपका नीचे है. ठीक है. अब हम लोग आगे बात करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे हमें जस्ट A की वजह से B1 एंगल है. ओके, B1 मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है. This is the angle theta, this is the angle theta. Okay, if this angle is the theta, if this angle is the theta, so we are constructing a line which is passes through R point and perpendicular to the x-axis. So this line. Okay, if this angle is the theta, if this angle is the theta, so this angle will be equals to what? This angle, if this angle is the theta, so you can say this whole value equals to, this whole value equals to 90 degree. Okay, this whole value equals 90 degree. This angle is the theta, so this angle is the what? 90 minus theta. Sorry, this angle is the theta, so whole this angle equals to 90 minus theta, because this is the theta, this is the x-axis and this is the assuming this angle theta, so this is the 90 minus theta because horizontal and vertical angle will be same. Okay, so this angle is the 90 minus theta. Okay, also you can say whole angle is the 90, this angle is 90 minus theta, so 90 minus 90 minus theta, so this angle equals to the theta angle. Okay, if this angle is the theta, so this angle is what? This angle is the 90 minus theta, this angle equals to 90 minus theta, so this whole angle is 90 minus theta. Okay, this is the 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta, and also this is the x and y, so this is the total 90. In fact you can say this angle equal to 90 minus theta, this is the 90 minus theta because this is the magnetic field due to B2 and this portion 90 degree. In fact you can say this angle equal to the theta, so you can say this angle equals to the theta. Okay, now we are component doing because this value equals to B1, this angle is a theta. In parallel we can say B1 into cos of a theta, so this value equals to B1 into sin of a theta, this value is the B2, so this value equal to B2 into cos of a theta, and also this value equal to B2 into sin of a theta. Okay, so you can say B1 into sin of a theta, B2 into sin of a theta, this will be the opposite actions. Also we can find out the magnitude of B1 and B2. So magnitude of B1, what will the magnitude of B1? B1 equal to magnetic field due to a long infinite current carrying wire, which will be equal to mu by 4 pi, mu naught by 4 pi I by r into sine of theta 1 plus sine of theta 2, we know that for infinite current carrying wire, this is 90 degree. Also, this is the 90 plus 90, sin 90 plus sin 90 equal to 2. Imply that we can say magnetic field due to a infinite current carrying wire, which will be equal to mu by 4 pi to I by R. Okay. So this is the infinite length. Okay. B1 equal to mu by 4 pi to I by R, and B2 equal to R is what? This value equals to R, and this value equals to R. Okay. So this is the AX. So this value equal to root of A square plus X square. Okay. So also you can say B1 equal to mu naught by 4 pi to I by R. R is what? Root of A square plus X square. Okay. So 2I by R. This is the B1. And also this value equals to the B2 magnitude. Okay. B1 magnitude is this and B2 magnitude is this. Okay. So B1 sin theta, magnitude of B1 equal to magnitude of B2. So B1 sin theta equal to B2 sin theta. So this will be the equal and upward actions. Okay. So this is the B1 cos theta and B2 cos theta. Equal and opposite up, equal and up का direction will be same. So B1 equal to B2, direction will be same. Both will be added. So 2 times of a B1 into cos of a theta means B net equal to 2 times of a B1 into cos of a theta. Okay. B1 equals to, putting the value B1 equal to mu naught by 4 pi to I by R. R is what? R is what? Just root of A square plus A square into cos theta. This angle equals to theta. So cos theta is what? Cos theta equals to base upon hypotenuse. Okay. Because this is the just आपका theta. So in front of a theta, that must be a perpendicular and that value will be equal to base. So in front of a 90, that will be the hypotenuse. Means you can say base upon hypotenuse, which will be equals to cos of a theta. So this value equals to x divided by root of A square plus X square. Okay. Now we are trying to the simplify just आपका B net. So put the value of a just आपका B net. This is the at x equal to R, B net imply that. So dx into I cap, this is the PQ vector. So df vector equals to I into PQ vector. Okay. PQ vector is what? PQ vector is equals to dx into I cap cross B at x equals to R, B net. That value equal to 2 into 2, 4. So 4 will be cancelled out. Implies that we can say mu naught into I into x divided by just pi into A square plus X square bracket close. Okay. So this will be the df. Okay. But this value equal to magnitude value. But we have to need the direction of B net at this point. So B1 cos theta, B2 cos theta, this is the vertically downward. Imply that we can say added both sides. Then B1 cos theta, B2 cos theta, which will vertically downward. So direction of a B net, which will be the negative y-axis. So direction of negative y-axis, which will be equals to minus j cap, means that value equals to the minus j cap. Okay. Now integrating both sides. I cross j. So I cross j equals to k. I cross j, which will be equals to the k. Imply that we can say I into mu naught, I into I equals to I square divided by pi into A square plus X square, A square plus X square into x and into dx. Okay. This will be the minus I cap cross j cap, which will be equals to the minus k cap. That value equal to minus k cap. So df vector. Okay. Now we are integrating. We are integrating both sides. So x into dx. Dx is what? Dx is this directions, which will be equals to plus direction, and that value will be start from x equal to 0 to x equal to L. Okay. x to dx. So direction of a start, the value will be start x from x equal to 0 and up to last x equals to L, because the total length of OC which will be equals to capital L, imply that that value equal to x equal to 0 to x equal to L. Okay. Now we are trying to integrate both sides. So integration df which will be equals to the f vector equals to minus k cap into mu naught I square divided by pi. Okay. Integration x into dx divided by a square plus x square. This will be 0 to L. Okay. Multiplying of a number 2 in numerator and denominator. So assuming the a square plus x square, integration by substitution, a square plus x square equals to t. Okay. So 2x into dx equals to the dt. Only value will be the dt. Okay. Also lower limit and upper limit. Lower limit is what? If x equal to 0, then lower limit equals to x equal to 0, then t equal to a square. If x equals to L, then t equals to the just आपका L square plus a square. Okay. Lower limit and upper limit. ठीक है. So we can put f vector equals to the minus k cap mu naught I square divided by 2 pi integrate. This value equals to the t. So differentiating that value, this will be the dt divided by t. So this value equals to the a square and this value equal to the a square plus L square. A square plus L square. Okay. So f vector equals to the minus k cap mu naught I square divided by 2 pi. So this is the ln. This is the ln. Integration dt upon t equals to the log. Also we can say log of upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. Log of integration dt upon t equal to log of a t at base e. Okay. A square plus L square divided by a square means division the value of a square, what will be value? F vector equals to the minus k cap into mu naught I square divided by 2 pi. That value will be the log of base e into 1 plus L square by a square. Okay.